You see, Dr. Shashi Panja, Dr. Shashi Panja will now debate. She is the Minister for Women and Child Development and Social Welfare in the Bengal government. She will debate with Guru Prakash Paswan, who is the national spokesperson of the BJP. A simple question to you to set this off. Dr. Panja, see, listen. You are a very, very good speaker. You're very civilized in your conduct. You make aggressive points. But even you will not use this language. This country is being ruled by a Doitto and a Danob, which means...
Yes, may I come in?
Which means what? This country is being run by demons. No, Ravans. No, Asurs. Doitto. Danob. What is the meaning of Doitto and Danob? First of all, you must translate this into English for all the viewers of the Republic debate. And then you tell me why this kind of language is being used by your Chief Minister. What is the meaning? Why do you say the country is being ruled by Doitto and Danob? Are there demons, devils running the country? What kind of language is this? Please tell us. What is the meaning of this? Yes.
You have to be in Bengal to hear the BJP leaders speak. Anyway, the language that they use, the uncivility that they show, the unparliamentary language that you have to hear every day. It is practically noise pollution. But all said and done, you see, when Prime Minister from his highest position of power says कि इस government को उखाड़ के फेंक देंगे. You see, this is an elected government. He forgets that the people have elected this government. This is not a case of nomination. We have not been nominated by him.
No, he doesn't. He says, "Ukhad ke fek denge." He probably means we'll uproot it during the elections.
Tolabaj.
No, he's probably saying we'll uproot it electorally. He's not saying...
No, they have similar languages. You know, I need to... And of course not. Arnabji, you need to follow the meetings and you will understand. And repeatedly to say Tolabaj and repeatedly to accuse, these are false accusations. And if you think, then let CBI do its job, let the investigations be on. We have repeatedly said there's a law of the land. But how is it? You know, politics is a matter of perception. And you are trying to create a perception that everything is wrong here in West Bengal. You know, it's amazing. It's amazing. I really need to see the All India scenario. You know, just an example. In Lok Sabha this year, post-COVID or during COVID, I would say, the Minister of State for Finance was asked that how many economic offenders from 2015 to 2019 have fled the country or have defaulted, etc. The question was answered, which is in writing, 38
You're moving away from my question, Dr. Panja. You are capable of giving me a direct reply, but you're deviating. So it's like if I ask you. No. This is like one of those prepared answers you're giving me, and I'd much rather appreciate. I would much rather appreciate a very pointed reply to my very pointed question, which is simply for people who don't understand Bengali. Tell Guru Prakash Paswan. Tell Guru Prakash Paswan, BJP spokesperson,
yes,
you have said, as in your Chief Minister has said, the country is being ruled by a Doitto and a Danob. Are you calling the BJP or the Prime Minister those names? Are you calling the Prime Minister a Doitto and a Danob? Are you saying the Prime Minister is a Doitto and a Danob?
Don't be so naive.
What do you mean by that? You please tell Guru Prakash, please translate this one.
He's calling
No, Dr. Shashi, you'll have to translate this word. No. Tolabaz would mean extortionist.
I also want the translation of Tolabaz for Guru Prakash ji. Arnab Swami ji, please take the, translate what Tolabaz means in English. Just like you have translated Doitto into demon. You need to also tell Guru Prakash ji what
I presume it means extortionist.
Yeah, but isn't it
I presume it means extortionist. Guru Prakash. So you're basically saying that we are going to keep abusing each other.
So are we stuck with the language? Are we stuck with
Were there riots in Boshirat? Were there the communal disturbance in Boshirat? What happened in Boshirat? No, what was the intent in Boshirat?
These are all...
Were people from the Hindu community not targeted in Boshirat?
Politics is
Were people from the Hindu community not threatened in
Absolutely
Bashirhat?
not. Here it is very
What happened
secular.
then?
No, I have no, not at all. This is not at all.
No, what happened in Bashirhat?
No. Here we are absolutely
Not at all,
happy.
nothing happened
We are
in Bashirhat.
secular. We are absolutely okay. You see, instigation, BJP is here to instigate.
No, what is the
BJP has
translation
no
of...
other agenda
Okay, Guru Prakash.
but a religious agenda,
Guru
a
Prakash.
religion, a division amongst religions, which is not correct. There is no role for
Dr. Panja,
communalism,
Dr. Panja,
politics here
we were
in
all,
Bengal. No
Dr.
communalistic
Sashi, now if you
approach.
could please allow me to speak.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarata Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.